Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to schedule power on or off on Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to make a schedule of power on or off, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility here. And then you just have to select task timer. You have to select schedule power on or off, and here you can easily customize your schedule. Here's the true schedule for power on and true for power off. You just have to select if you want to customize. Just select time, and here you can easily customize the time of your schedule. And here's the days for repetition. You can easily select them. After the selection, you just have to select term, and in this way you can easily make a schedule of power on or power off on your phone. So that's how you can easily make a schedule of power on or off on Vivo Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.